The online world has become a silent power that influences almost every moment of our daily lives. In Do Safar Do Panch, the internet is no longer just a tool, it has transformed into a complete digital ecosystem where people work, earn, study, shop, communicate, and even build their identity. This online transformation is happening so smoothly that most people don't even realize how deeply it's shaping their behaviors, decisions, and future. Every tap, click, and swipe is part of a global digital wave that is redesigning human life. One of the biggest changes brought by the online world is how we learn. Education is no longer limited to classrooms. With online platforms, anyone can gain new skills, take international courses, and learn from global experts without leaving their home. Students in remote areas now access the same quality content as those in big cities. Online learning has become equalizer of opportunity. Short online certifications, AI-powered learning apps, and virtual classrooms have made education more flexible, affordable, and personalized than ever before. The second major transformation is in how people earn money. Online earning opportunities are exploding. Freelancing, content creation, digital marketing, remote jobs, online selling, and AI-based tools are giving people full-time incomes from home. Even small skills, like editing, design, voiceover, or writing, can become a source of global income. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Fiverr, Upwork, and online stores have turned the internet into a global marketplace where anyone can turn their passion into profit. Another powerful shift is in how people make decisions. From choosing what to buy to deciding where to travel, everything is influenced by online reviews, influencers, trending content, and AI recommendations. The online world understands your preferences through your behavior, and it quietly shapes what you see and what you choose. Your digital footprint becomes your guide. Brands now design products based on online data to match people's needs more accurately. However, with all these benefits, the online world also comes with challenges. Online safety and privacy are becoming extremely important. Hackers, scams, fake news, and misleading content can harm users if they are not careful. Most people do not realize how much of their personal data they unknowingly share online. Protecting passwords, avoiding suspicious links, and staying aware of digital risks is now a basic skill, just like reading and writing. In Do Safar Do Panch, the online world is also shaping relationships and communication. People stay connected through video calls, messages, and social apps. Digital friendships, online communities, and virtual support groups are becoming a new form of social life. The world feels smaller and more connected, but at the same time, it demands emotional balance to avoid stress and comparison. The online world is no longer the future, it is the present. It is powerful, fast, growing, and deeply integrated into life. Those who understand